Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody has been staying safe in quarantine. I just wanted to do a quick little everyday makeup tutorial today. Something I'm calling grocery store glam because there's not a whole lot of places to go in quarantine. And so I might as well just try to look my best when I go to the grocery store, since that's one of the few places I'm allowed to go right now. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on some concealer. It's the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in almond. I don't like to wear foundation every day just because my skin is super sensitive, and honestly, I mean, in quarantine, you know, there's not really a need to, at least for me, to waste foundation. So I usually just put a couple of these streaks all over my face, and then use this beauty blender, a damp one, and then I just blend it all in. And then always be sure to blend it down your neck. Even if you think that it's your perfect shade, you just never know. Okay, next I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I honestly never used to think that I had dark circles, and then I would watch a bunch of YouTube tutorials and everybody would always conceal their under eyes, and so, you know, I think just naturally, you know, it made me more self-conscious and insecure about myself. So now I just always cover them. Okay, and then I'm going to set my under eyes with the MAC Studio Fix. I think it's in NC30. And then just gonna take a big fluffy brush and then just kind of just set them a little bit. Next, I'm going to contour my face a little bit. So I'm gonna use this Fenty Matchsticks in the shade Amber, and I'm gonna try to contour my nose just a tiny bit. I just draw two little lines, and I actually just use my fingers and then just kind of blend it in. I'm not super precise with it. And then I just go down the sides of my face here. Okay, then I'm going to just put on a little bit of blush. I always use the NARS Orgasm. I kind of like a lot of blush though, just because I like the look of a very like rosy cheek. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows using the Anastasia brow pencil in medium brown. Also, if it looks darker all of a sudden, I just turn one of the lights off because I feel like you'll be able to see a little bit better when I'm up close. So I just do small little brush strokes. Okay, now that those are all filled in, I'm gonna be moving on to eyes. I feel like most days I just wear mascara, but today I think I want to do a winged liner. So I'm gonna be taking the Better Than Sex liquid liner, and I'm just gonna make a little bit of a wing or cat eye whatever you call it. I start at the corner and I draw a straight diagonal line up, and then I just connect it and fill it in. I would say the best trick with this is, especially if you have hooded eyelids, is to keep your eyes open and try to look pretty dead on, because you're gonna get a much straighter line than if you try to close your eyes and then when you open them, the line is gonna be super distorted. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes and then put on mascara. Okay, and I'm a little bit weird when it comes to mascara because I use 3 different ones, but one of them is a primer. So I start off with the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. Okay, now that that's on, I'm gonna use a Covergirl Clump Crusher. And the reason I like this mascara is because I just feel like it helps make your lashes very, very separated and long. It doesn't really help in any way with the thickness, and that's why after it dries, I go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and that just helps make your lashes super, super thick. Okay. I don't know if you can already tell like what a difference the first mascara made, but I'm telling you, using a primer and then using a mascara that's meant for lengthening and then one specifically for thickening, it makes the biggest difference for your lashes. I've gotten so many people asking me if I have extensions or if I'm wearing falsies most of the time, and it's just the magic. Okay, so sorry about that. My camera actually died, so I had to wait for a few minutes for it to charge. But I'm just gonna go back in, here it is, with my mascara, and just kind of do one more little coat. And I'm gonna coat the bottom lashes a little bit too, just really, really lightly. Okay, now that that's done, you can see like what a difference just using a mascara primer and those 2 mascaras make. It just really helps open up your eye. But the last thing I'm gonna do is just lips. I just use this lipstick from Maybelline. It's Warm Me Up. Shoot, 235. Okay, it's not focusing. But this is my absolute favorite. Like, I use it all the time. Last time I bought them, I think I bought 5, and I just put one in all of my different handbags so I would have one on me all the time, because it's my absolute favorite go-to. So yes, this is pretty much it for the makeup look. It's really easy. There's not a whole lot going on in quarantine, but sometimes I feel like, you know, when you look good, you feel good. And I feel like the days that I actually put on makeup, I just feel more productive and I just get more things done. But anyways, if you guys have any more ideas for different types of makeup looks or just video ideas in general, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be trying to post a lot more because we're in quarantine still and there's not a whole lot going on. I don't have a whole lot to do, so I'm trying to bang out as many of these as I can. So anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and I hope everybody's staying safe out there.